Welcome. Now, continuing with the Yojana edition, we focus on the basic idea where the reason and the inquiry has been the sole basis for development of a scientific trigger. And the idea in this, the author, who is a visiting professor at IISER Mohali, says that going for science is not optional; it is a constitutional duty under Article 51A. And then, when it is a fundamental duty, it is important to think based on evidence, questioning, and humanism. So he mentions various aspects. For examples, Buddha's Kalma Sutta. Now, this Kalma Sutta talks about the spirit or the idea where any claim which is written in the scriptures cannot be merely accepted. We have to go into and question each and every idea, and once we question, we would get into an insight whether this would be a correct aspect or not, right? Then coming on next is Nagarjun's philosophy. Nagarjun talked about challenging the orthodox traditions and the orthodox system and focusing on evidence-based thinking. And he said knowledge based on belief alone without observation cannot be accepted. The next was the idea where many modern scholars, for example, Bhagat Singh, when he was in prison, wrote the essay Why I Am an Atheist. And in this essay, he argued that every aspect which is inherited as a belief must be questioned. Swami Vivekanand, who was again a staunch atheist, talked about focusing on intellect because superstitions are those which paralyze the intellect. Similarly, there have been the views of B.R. Ambedkar, who talked about that caste system has created its own confinement, and to break those confinement and shields, it's important that there is a rational thinking. So going for humanism, inquiry, and reform is something which has been really important, and this whole thing of developing scientific rigor and scientific temperament is something which has been the root, which focuses on private belief versus public reason, and then only we can shape policies and frame laws accordingly.